Looking for a beach house that you can enjoy and turn a profit too? Well, take a look at this one, 550 Honolulu Avenue in Oceano, California. This house is affordable. It is rated as a residential multi-family and currently just has a single family home on it. Now the house itself has a pretty small footprint, but when we get inside, I'm going to show you that this owner has done a great job really creating some different spaces and usable space within the house. So the house is available now. It does have a short-term rental opportunity as well. So let's take a look. So we're really close to the ocean. I can hear the ocean from here. I don't know if my mic will pick that up or not. We have a small house in Oceano, and it's a good sized lot. So we have this side area where you can put the pets. There's this fun area out here. I'd probably put a little fire pit out here. It's nice patio furniture, but it is Oceano, and we get dew like almost every day. Like, so we can't leave our cloth furniture outside. Like, for example, I hang my gym towel up. I go to the gym in the morning, and if I leave it, it'll dry outside during the day. But if I leave it outside at night, it'll be wet when I wake up in the morning from the dew. But anyway, let's take a look at this cute little house. Now, the main thing that I asked about this house, because of the location, is does it have a short-term rental license that comes with the house? And the answer is yes. Now, of course, as a buyer, I'm happy to help someone buy this house, but we'll do our due diligence and make sure that that information is correct. So the house is not, like I said, it's not a big house, but it's very tastefully done. Lots of good touches. And then they've kind of created some bonus space in the house as well. Let's take a look at this little kitchen here. This countertop is cool. So for Airbnb, it's 1 bedroom, but it depends on your situation. Let's go look at on our double sinks. Let's take a look at this bedroom. I chose not to open those curtains. I just opened the blinds behind them. Just because there's a house next door, it's gonna look better. So here's our bedroom. We have a TV in here. It has a pocket door. And then we have a bathroom with a shower, storage, cute, nice bathroom. Now this is really cool. They've enclosed a patio area, and it has a roof up there, and it's a sunroom, and it's a pretty good size sunroom. So for a small house, it's with this makes it pretty versatile because let's go back inside and take a look. Like, let's say you had a family of four, you had 2 little kids and mom and dad. You could stay in this house, use it as an Airbnb. The kids can crash on the couch or on the floor or out in the sunroom or out in the backyard. Mom and dad get the bedroom, and then you're right down the street from the beach because you are in Oceano. So I'll show you proximity. So here's our backyard with a nice deck area, which makes it nice. So you don't have to mow the whole area. Oh, there's a fire pit. I said I'd put a fire pit in the front. So we have this gazebo area for dining. There's a table out here, and you get some chairs. It has power, so there's light. So you can come out here and eat. There's a storage shed. So if you own this house and you choose to rent it out as a short-term rental, then you could use this shed as an owner's closet. So you put all your surfboards, your fishing gear, all of your, West Coast Oceano gear in there and then lock it up, and then everything's here when you come back. So this is it. Not a very long tour, but it's a cute house.